out with Rebecca for a news story.
Yeah.
Rebecca Mean Blower.
Yeah! Rebecca Bean Blower for a news story.
Yeah.
Rebecca!
Mean Blower.
Yeah?
Yeah? You
Mean
feeling
blower.
it? You feeling it? Are
I
you
like to
feeling
blow meat.
Oh, meat? Oh, okay.
Oh,
I
wait,
guess
is
it's
that-
meat
That's
blower.
just filming already?
That I don't think so. I don't know. I
think
thought they
you-
were taking a picture at first. Okay, cool.
I think
We're
they're
gonna be
filming
at 3 in the
everything.
morning. And
Oh,
I
shit.
Yeah, maybe that's what
Really?
we
Do you
did.
really have to film it?
Yeah, well, I guess we kind of told him to do that, though,
Yeah, we
right?
did, though.
Yeah,
We're
right.
horrible persons.
She walked away, though.
Beer, though.
Oh, she went to go. Okay. And she's on Facebook.
Are we starting?
Yeah, we should film.
Yeah, we should.
Where'd the other peeps go?
We're
They're
missing.
like, what? We don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
They
Okay.
don't know.
Wait, okay, no, go.
I was gonna change everything though.
No,
You wanna-
do it.
I was like, are you sure you want to do a news show? Why don't we do a talk show?
I'm okay with a talk
We
show.
could do a talk
Host.
show.
I'm okay
And a
with a
bunch of
talk show.
crazy
I thought of that
characters.
too. I thought like talk
We
show
could
might
definitely
be way
do a talk show.
easier.
We can change it.
That would be so cool. Dining room table, talk show, like yeah, that
Or
would.
even just
Yeah, even
Oprah.
debates or something like.
You
know
want
what
to
I
change it
mean?
to the living room?
Yeah, let's do it. I
Okay.
love it. Like randomly,
Word
that's
up,
what I
call
mean.
me.
Like that's. Yeah, I even thought of that too, but I
Who's
wasn't
the
sure if that
host?
would work. That would, yeah.
Who's the host?
Anybody could be the host.
Anybody.
I'll be the host. She could be the host. You could be the host.
Yeah.
We can all be the host.
Let's do a little bit of this news since it's already set up though. Just do what you guys already had planned.
No, come on. That sounds like such a great
No,
idea.
this
All
is
right.
just all
Hey,
Mad Libs, so we
you
can-
vote. Listen, you vote like what's that word called? She just said it. What's that word called? She just said it.
Talk show.
Talk show. Okay, do you vote talk show? Like, with the people around the table and stuff? Or you want to do, like, news? Go.
Or like Oprah, you get some matching.
Or, like, Oprah. Right, yeah.
Oprah.
Or Dr. Phil, right? We
Dude,
can
we
do
could do
Dr.
some
Phil.
crazy
Jerry
shit.
Springer.
Jerry
I
Springer.
mean, if
There
we're
you
gonna
go.
do a
Yeah,
talk
yeah,
show.
right. Yeah, let's do it.
So a talk show?
Yeah,
Then we
Valley.
could definitely work in the baby
Talk
mama
show.
shit.
No,
Talk
well,
show's
let's get a
good.
vote. Where's, yo, Joe.
Yo.
Joe.
Yeah, we can definitely work in the baby mama shit. Oh shit, Brandon's gone.
Yes, you gotta have
Yo,
your pants on
You're being
first.
summoned. Dun, dun, dun. Now, Moon, go.
What's up?
Switching.
Um,
So
yay!
the switching format from the news show to talk show. Right?
Wait a minute. He's not counting.
Yeah.
Look at
Not
Yeah.
You got
witnessing.
it.
Not a witness of that.
All
Saved myself.
right, so what are you doing?
That was good looking, so they wouldn't
okay.
notice.
Okay,
Go ahead.
check
job.
this.
Told you.
You think we should
Did
do
you
talk
notice he was
show
redoing his pants?
or news?
The other way.
Talk show, like everybody around the table,
Easy, just have to-
like
I think we
maybe
should
maybe
film
government,
something.
who thinks? Or you want to just go roll with news?
Well,
Or
if
maybe we could
if
do
do a
both.
talk show. What's the
Okay.
subject?
Don't know. We would come up with a topic.
Round table opinion kind of thing?
Yeah, maybe like a debate
Okay.
or government. Who knows? Anything.
It might be easier.
It might.